Hello, my name is Moza and I'm the co-founder of MyDasma, where you can find MyDasma SHOP World. Now, if you're a formal wear or bridal wear boutique owner, this video is for you. Today I want to show you how only on MyDasma SHOP World can you find the designs made by Myrvedete Fashion Atelier, which is located in a small village called Kurish in Kosovo, about 10 minutes away from Prizren. Okay, now I'm going to show you the amazing talent, untouched talent that you can find only on MyDasma SHOP World. Established in 2007, Myrvedete produces a range of formal and bridal wear. All you need to do is download the MyDasma app and jump into MyDasma SHOP World, where you can choose whatever style you want, whatever color you want, and order it directly from Myrvedete at wholesale prices. MyDasma is an Australian startup